The island of Bermuda blends a tropical island vibe and a dapper British style. The result is a pretty unique holiday destination. As your plane descends into Bermuda, the first thing you observe are the deep turquoise waters and sheer limestone cliffs. What many new visitors to Bermuda also don't understand is just how tiny of an island Bermuda is. To drive it, tip to stern, takes only approximately an hour. It's long and skinny, so there are locations where you could easily walk the width of the island. The whole island is only 21 square miles, making it less than half the size of the already pretty small metropolis of San Francisco. Bermuda is a travel destination often omitted by visitors considering a trip to the Caribbean. Although a little further to fly than Cuba or the Bahamas, Bermuda should not fall off your shortlist because of the greater distance. Bermuda is home to some of the exceptional diving sites in the world. It's where professional scuba divers go to dive. As an area used heavily by the Naval Army in the American Civil War and World War II, there are dozens of shipwrecks to discover off the island's coast. A strange fact here, you can't rent a car on the island. Car rental is banned by the Bermudian government. The major cause for this is because the island is pretty small and has a small population of 65,000 people. However, the island expects around 600,000 tourists a year, and if they all rented cars, the infrastructure wouldn't be capable of cope. You can rent scooters and mopeds, as they are freely available and cheap to rent, or there is an emerging market of electric minicars too. Alternatively, there are locations for renting bicycles in case you prefer them, or there are lots of taxis available throughout the island. The island also benefits from great and frequent bus service, which connects all parts of the islands to Hamilton. The buses are air-conditioned and used equally by locals, visitors and cruise passengers. When catching a bus, look out for the pink and blue painted poles, which denote bus stops. Pink shows buses heading into Hamilton, blue heading out from Hamilton. Note that buses will not accept passengers with plenty of luggage. Bermuda can be expensive. Because of Bermuda's step import tax, all items sold in stores that come from off the island carry a large markup. One of the main reasons Bermuda gets mistaken for a Caribbean island is the quality of the beaches. You can expect crystal clear water, lovely sand, and plenty of sun buffers, similar to those you'll discover in Turks and Caicos or other Caribbean islands. Keep in mind though that the island is in the Atlantic. Throughout the summer the water is warm, but can dip to much colder temperatures in the winter. Bermuda is well known for its pink sand beaches, and they make ideal photo opportunities, especially at sunset. The sand is made from tiny invertebrates that live on the coral reefs along Bermuda's coastline. The beaches are picture perfect with handsome Horseshoe Bay and other coral-colored sand stretches coming up trumps. These line the shores underneath palm and calabash forests or below cliff tops, where luxurious resorts and spas and world-class golf courses sprawl. Some of the most stunning beaches are Jobson Cove, Tobacco Bay beaches, and of course the Pink beaches. West Whale Beach is also great, however because of the low tide, this is accessible only a few hours a day. Humpback whales pass here in April, however most of the time they will be too far to actually see them. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.